everyone, and welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. Today I'm coming at you away from home. I'm in Indianapolis, and I am scrapbooking while my family is at Comic-Con and watching movies. I just thought I'd show you a little setup of how I bring things on vacation with me, so I am able to do some scrapbooking while my family members are doing something else, or so I can enjoy my craft time while they're doing something that I might not enjoy as much. So my boys and my husband are at Comic-Con right next door. We are staying at Embassy Suites. I'll show you a little bit of our room. Of course, there's a little bit of a mess here. This is our room. There's the desk that I'm working on. And some chairs. It's a pretty modern hotel. Here's a quick view of the bathroom. And the shower. And then our bed. It's kind of, the couch pulls out into a sofa bed. I'll take you over to the window. We're right downtown Indianapolis. Right down by the Capitol. So that's outside our window, and we have a big TV in our bedroom and a big closet. There's 3 sinks in this hotel room. There's one over here. And there's the one in the bathroom. And then there's a little kitchenette over here too, with a little refrigerator and microwave. So I brought some stuff to snack on while I'm here. And then of course outside the door there's, I guess I can show you what it looks like. Looks like over here. This is outside the window. So we're on the 8th floor, and there's like, I think there's 18 floors, this hotel. So, but I thought I'd show you today some of the things that I bring with me when I am scrapbooking away from home. So, I basically brought 3 page kits that I keep in these old Creative Memories containers, and that's where I usually store a lot of my page kits that I put together. So what I did is I just took them all out of that. So this is the paper that I'm going to use. These are scraps, or smaller pieces from a smaller pad. Then I have my letter stickers here, and then a lot of embellishments in this shoebox here. And then I just took the hotel cup and put all my stuff in there. So I've got extra adhesive, and I've got about 3 stacks of photos. I doubt that I'll get through all of those, of course, but they're gonna be at Comic-Con until 6:30 tonight, and it is only about little after 10 a.m. right now. So I'm hoping to get a lot done. So I just wanted to give you a glimpse of where I am, where I'm scrapbooking from. And I am going to start a page, and I'll show you a little bit of each page that I put together. And then, and that'll be it. So I'm going to stop now, and then I'll be back in just a second. So this is my first layout that I did. I kind of wanted to do it in a circular pattern, and I wanted to show the stitches on that one piece of paper, but I ended up covering it up because we had so many photos from this trip to Chicago to Harry Carey's restaurant at Navy Pier. Most of the photos that I'm going to be scrapbooking today are of this trip to Navy Pier in Chicago. So I'll be back with the next one. So this is my second layout that I've done while we are in Indianapolis, and this is of that same trip to Chicago. This particular layout is about my middle son. He didn't realize how high the Ferris wheel was at Navy Pier until we got almost to the top, and he got terrified once we hit the top and wanted to get off, and he was so upset. And I wanted to document that because he is so brave now. He's a lover of roller coasters, and heights don't seem to bother him now. So I'm so glad that he braved that and he faced his fears. So this is layout number 2. So here's layout number 3 that I did. This one's just a general overview of Navy Pier and some of the things that we did while we were there. Went to an IMAX movie, and they got to test some toys at a toy store. We took some pictures out on the pier, things like that. I did some journaling of some of the stuff that we did. So this is that layout. I'll be back with layout number 4. So layout 4 became a double spread, and I had to use papers that I had with me, and these are some older papers, but they did coordinate somewhat color-wise. The pink and the brown match this pink and brown. And let me start over here. These are photos from the Children's Museum. Same trip at Navy Pier. And here my oldest son, he was kind of having a bummer of a time because the little kids, the Children's Museum was more for little kids than it was for him. He was a young teenager at the time. And they had this dino dig area where you could dig for bones, and here my younger two are digging for bones. But my oldest decided that he was going to bury my youngest in this, it was like tire. It was really soft and spongy. I think it was just ground up tire. But so he started burying them here, and he started having a really good time doing it. He's laughing here as he's burying them, and my youngest is just all about that. He thought it was really cool to be buried by his oldest brother. And so here he is, and here he's hopping out of that. So I just kind of, at the top I put, hello you, and then crazy, onward and upward, and then buried alive, bury your brother, break the rules. And I put fun at the Children's Museum, Navy Pier, April 2009. And there's just kind of a progression of when he started burying him on this page to, you know, when he was all done, he was completely buried, and then when he popped out. So put them all together. So this is a double page spread that I put together for layouts 4 and 5. Okay, so this is layout number 6. And this is that same trip at Navy Pier. The boys found a replica of a Tyrannosaurus Rex that you could climb inside. And so they really had fun climbing inside it and climbing on top of it and all kinds of things. So that is layout number 6. This page was originally a beach theme page, but I just used a whole bunch of old stickers and covered up a bunch of spots, and it turned out okay. So I will see you back with layout 7. Here's layout number 7. This is called Grammy's Fart Blossoms, and Scott's mom always called the boys her little fart blossoms and booger butt and all kinds of stuff, and she's sitting on a flower here on this vacation at Navy Pier, and I think that she was calling them little fart blossoms while they were playing, and that's why she's got that funny smile on her face. But this one I didn't need to journal on because it was kind of self-explanatory. So this is layout number 7. Okay, this is my 8th and final layout for our trip here at Indianapolis. And this one's called Little Artists. This is the same trip at the Children's Museum and Navy Pier in April 2009. And I have to show you what my husband brought me back from Comic-Con because it's so cute. Look at this little coin purse. It's Baby Groot. Isn't that adorable? I love Baby Groot. But anyway, well, that concludes my video here from Indianapolis at Embassy Suites. And they're on their way back. And we go home tomorrow. Tomorrow's Easter Sunday. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Now it's time for me to clean up my mess, so tomorrow we can head home. So I wish everyone a happy Easter and hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Keep on scrapbooking.